Hey. So it's time to wrap it up for today. I was trying to push a little bit more, but it's just like I can't anymore. I'm tired. So I was basically half of the day working on giving feedback to Fiona to help her with the UX. She makes like she's really good designer, but this app is complex and it's based on the hypercore protocol that she's maybe not so familiar with. So she needs some help with this. So we're trying to help her out with Alex. So I was doing some kind of little feedback sketches or whatever videos and sent her that. And there was another one. Let's see. Oh no, that's the one that I'm recording now. Yeah, there is also another one about the last step of the plan. When you so what we're building is a hosting network, peer-to-peer hosting network, where anyone can offer their space on the computer, and anyone else can basically rent that space, and everything is completely peer-to-peer, and we basically kind of want to make like a nice UX so that users can kind of select which data they want to host and in which times and in which locations and so on. So it kind of tries to translate this peer-to-peer world into some kind of usable UX. So this is one part. And then on my side, when somebody offers hosting to the network, we go through the process here, hosting start. So you connect to a tester who is basically getting data for the hoster. And when we receive the data, we verify it and then we store it. And then we get into the hosting state. And after we have this hosting state, the network starts performing certain challenges to check if a hoster is actually hosting the data that they promised to do. So I added this state machine for proof of storage, where before we just had like a rough thing, but now it's kind of like a little bit more defined. The code is already written for it, but in this kind of a new state machine focused refactoring, we just didn't have it yet. So I worked on this, and then I also tried it out. So I run the hosting start phase, and I connect to a tester and receive and store data, and then I get to the hosting state, and when this hosting state is reached, I start creating new proof of storage challenges. So I trigger an event proof of storage request every 2 seconds. And I'm running this here just in the terminal to see if state machines work properly, because later I will be adding the code that will actually execute all this stuff. So currently it's just every 2 seconds. It's a storage request, and at the beginning is this thing: connect to a tester, receive and store data, get into the hosting state, and after that, proof of storage challenges start. And then we connect to get the proof, send the proof, and again, a new hosting request, storage request. So this, and the last step is to add a performance benchmark, which is basically checking how the hoster is seeding data in the swarm. So this is the next thing that I am adding already, but I need to finish it. So yeah, that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Yo.